This week on Reality of Love. Every person has their fair share of challenges when it comes to love and relationships, but for people of color, there's often extra layers.
I've been told that I was desperate, that I need to love myself, and then love will find me.
You're so ugly, your voice is so annoying, why are you on TV?
If anything, it was the opposite. They wanted to date me because I was Asian, so that was a little weird.
We'll hear reality stars and women of color share their real experience dating and relating as a person of color on TV and in their relationships.
I had no idea that I was going to experience racism while I was on The Real Housewives of Dallas.
Asian women are like hypersexualized.
To have a partner who can empathize with the multiracial experience and know what it feels like in his body is like a whole other level.
It's been really difficult to find someone who can accept all the parts.
Every Thursday on Bespoke TV.